Good morning, everyone. I'm out riding in Ellijay, Georgia, the mountain biking capital of Georgia. I'm on this trail, Bear Creek Trail, which is riding the service road up to the trail, about 4 miles up, and then going down the other side. Today I'm riding my new bike from Corning Bike Works in Corning, New York. This is the Trek Fuel X5, which has dual suspension. The last time I was here, I just had the front shock on a different bike, and now I'm testing out this new bike. So it should be pretty good on the downhills. I'm also testing out my new GoPro Hero 9 to see how this does. It has a microphone set up on it. Many of you complained that you couldn't hear what I was saying before. And it's supposed to be more vivid. So the other thing is I'm wearing my Zenway products. These are the crystals from the Zenway. These are supposed to be for protection. Kind of remind me of nature. Just to hear the sounds of nature is so soothing, relaxing, calming. Really helps you to be a better person. So I'm going over to this waterfall. Almost to my next stopping point to see a great view. But this is pretty gorgeous. And you can't miss this. There's the view. The real mountain biking.
Yeah.
Do the